Here's a short video how to install your bell on the No-Pulp kit. Basically what I did on this is a split design pole. What you're going to do is drill 2 starter holes, and what you're going to do is line up with the base hole for the crossbar, so you know the bell will be even and straight with the crossbar. You'll have some movement with the crossbar to readjust if you're not exactly straight. The hole here you're going to drill is a little bit to the side. That'll be for the wire going on the back side. You're going to remove your bell, and then what you're going to do is the 2 notches here, or the 2 divots, you're going to have them pointed down. So what you're going to do is put your bell on top of here, scribe it to drill your pilot holes, and once you drill your pilot holes, then you're going to take a drill with a 5/16. Trying to do this and look at the drill marks, and then go ahead and finish drilling into to get the screws started. Never did it this way, trying to hold the camera and all that. So once you get it all in there, make sure your hole's lined up. That'll be easier to take it off and then just do this. And then when you tighten it down with the bell, make sure you don't over torque it, because you'll strip it and then you'll have to use bigger sheet metal screws or torque screws. So what you're going to do is slide the wire through all the way down, once you get the wire fed in, you're going to put the rubber grommet that's supplied with the kit in the hole. So once you got the grommet in, get everything lined back up, finish pushing the wires through. Make sure the wire is down in. Yes, I can feel it. And then what you're going to do is get yourself lined up. And what I've done here on most of my units, push it in most of the way, and then take and twist this so it stays nice and tight against the bar assembly. So once it's tight, you'll see it's like curled up. So get this lined up. You're going to put your 1 screw, but like it says, make sure this is even with your bar. So the hole is lined up there, and then just tighten it a little bit until you get both of them in. And then what I would use is a socket, so you don't over torque it. But my drill is set for torque. So that's basically how to put that on. And then when you put the bell on, make sure you get the 2 dimples in the holes. And where I've found, if you have a different sound on the bell when it dings, leave this loose a little, and then you can see how this pivots back and forth, and then tighten it back up. I usually put it all the way clockwise and then tighten it back up, and then you should be good for the sound. And basically that's how the bell assembly would be hooked up. This is Bart with Mad Dogs Trains. Thank you.